Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in your Lithonia ELM or ELM2 emergency light. This emergency light has a battery that is going out. When I take it off the wall, you'll see that it will work fine, but it'll only run for about 10 minutes and then the battery will just finally shut off. I knew this battery is a number of years old. I had it in the garage for several years and then it got moved into here for a couple of years. So it's about a 5 or 6 year old battery and it is done. So replacing it with this Lithonia battery should last me quite a number of years. I did pay a little bit more because it's an actual Lithonia brand. This will not show you how to do the LED version of the emergency light. However, I will have a video after that showing how to do one of those videos, or one of those emergency lights. It does take this battery right here with a clip like this. It doesn't take a big old battery that the Lithonia ELM2 does. So, start off, you really want to go ahead and shut off the power. I'm going to leave it connected. However, there is a back plate to this light and it will have some exposed terminals. It will be protected by a piece of plastic. However, if that plastic is broken or the little plastic tabs break off, you'll have some exposed contacts in the back. So really just shut the power off when you take this down. And be gentle about it because these units are old. So you have these two tabs on the bottom that you want to press in like that. You can see the light came on. However, it's not going to last very long. And then there's tabs on the back of it. You don't have to push on anything, just pull up on the light. Man. And it'll come right off. As you can see here, I do have some wiring in here. I'm gonna leave them right where they're at, and I advise you do not move them because when you go to put this back on, you need these wires in this exact spot. There's a ground wire in here, but it's not needed, so it's just kind of tucked into the back. And here's my live 120 volts. Now, there's only one wire coming in here, and that's because there's a plug back here, and it's going to one light, and it's going to and then there's a second light in the other room. But I have separate pigtails that I only have one wire inside of each light. And this right here is live, so careful, do not touch that. So, coming down here, as you can see here, now we got the light. To get this battery out, there's a strap in here that you want to go ahead and remove. You can see here the light is on. However, I noticed that is so much dimmer and the lights are about to go out. So it's time to go ahead and remove it. So you want to just pull the Velcro strap, get that open, take this battery on out, and there are these two tabs right here. You want to go and just pull them off, and this battery is done. Now, not sure if there's a date on here on how old it is, but I know it is pretty old and it is time to replace. We're going to install the new battery. Take these two off. You want to replace this with a 6 volt 4.5 amp hour battery. That's what these units take. If you try and replace it with a 6 volt 4 amp hour battery, it's not going to last. It's 90 minutes as it's supposed to. This one right here is 6 volt 4.5. However, it's not holding the charge anymore. So it's time to replace. So to reinstall these, you're going to take these tabs here. The blue wire goes on the black terminal, red goes to red, and there is a quick disconnect here, but this is only for if you want to just disconnect the battery in a pinch. You don't have to pull the battery out. So simply just slide these terminals on like this. And now the terminals are and now the battery is reconnected. Make sure it's all the way snug. And now pull the strap out and make sure that it's not caught on anything. And reinsert the battery. Like that. Strap the battery down first before adjusting your wires. Make sure the other one, like, it got caught right here. Just like that. Pull that out and then go ahead and re-secure your Velcro. The way it was, there's a tab in here. There's 2 tabs. You only need one of them. Make sure you pull it all the way tight and then lock it back down into place. That's the battery. And then make sure that these wires right here, they're somewhat like out of the way. So when you go to reinstall your unit, you don't have a hard time trying to pull it out. And make sure any other wires are kind of tucked out of the way. So, and also the test button. Make sure, even though that this unit has a bad test button, make sure that it doesn't get in the way for when you go to test the unit. So now that all my wires are kind of tucked out of the way, now we'll reinstall the unit. So back plate, the best way that I have found to do this, you want to go on straight with the unit because of these 2 tabs right here. You need to go on kind of straight. Lift up slightly to get up and over those tabs. Make sure that they snap in. Make sure it's even in the front and give it a gentle push. There we go. Adjust your lamp heads because they probably got misadjusted. And this unit has a bad test button. So all I have to do is just pop it up like that. And as you can see here, this unit is working so much nicer than what it was. Okay. There we go. And that is replacing a battery in a Lithonia ELM2. So I thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like this video. I will show you how to do a Lithonia ELM2 LED in a separate video. This will be the battery for it. And this was replacing a battery in a Lithonia ELM2. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like this video. And have a great day.